Hi, I am Barb, and I traveled here to Cabo, San Lucas, to have surgery with Dr. Gerardo Garcia Alvarez at the AmeriMed Hospital. Wonderful experience. I can't even say enough about the care that we received from everything from planning this in the United States to coming here to Mexico, all of our travel arrangements, all of everything that everyone that we encountered along the way, from our taxi drivers, Victor, to everyone in the hospital. I just can't say enough about the positive experience that we've had here. We were met with just very much hospitality, very accommodating. I had no worries whatsoever about where we were. Felt completely safe. The hotel is beautiful. Has everything that you would ever imagine. The folks here are so nice, so nice. I don't even have words. They're just so nice. Our hospital experience was top notch. They cared for us from the second that we arrived at the hospital. A lot of one-on-one. We had surgery the same day, and we were never without a nurse, multiple nurses. We saw our doctor, Dr. Garcia, multiple times every day that we were at the hospital. One of our travel companions actually got sick, got Montezuma's revenge, and he was taken care of as well. They just didn't want anybody not to feel well. So anyway, it was a good experience all the way around. I just can't say enough about it. Dr. Garcia, if you're thinking about having this surgery, I would highly recommend him and his staff. Just everyone that, like I said, everyone that we had any kind of contact with along the way has just been so kind, informative. For the most part, everyone spoke enough English that we could all, communicate very well. And I have nothing but positive, wonderful things to say about this whole experience. And would I do it again? Absolutely. Absolutely, in a heartbeat. And I would recommend it to anybody to come to Mexico to have surgery. Absolutely no worries at all. Emily, did you want to say anything?
No, I don't think so. Pretty much summed it up.
Covered it all, Mom.
No, and we feel good. I mean, with some discomfort, not pain. That's one thing I can say about the hospital, that really there wasn't, for me, I can only speak for myself, but I didn't suffer any pain, nausea, any of those things that if you're researching this procedure, I really didn't experience a lot of that, not any more than what would have been expected, I'm sure, but anytime I felt discomfort, there was a nurse right there with medication to, help whatever the symptoms were that I was feeling. It was all about making me comfortable and just basically whatever it was we needed, we had it. And honestly, I just can't say enough. I don't even have a word for it. It was just an awesome experience. It was very good, very good. Mucho bueno.
I'm Cassie, and I had vertical sleeve gastrectomy. We had it on June 2nd.
Mm-hmm.
June 2nd. And everybody was very nice. We haven't met anybody who wasn't helpful, and the places, the city is beautiful. Everybody is just so welcoming. Nothing negative, because everything has been so positive so far. So, definitely had a good time here in Cabo.
Hi, I'm Emily. We had the gastric sleeve procedure done here in Cabo, San Lucas. Couldn't recommend coming here to Cabo to have it done anymore. Dr. Garcia is an amazing doctor, very informative and educational. Never went without any questions unanswered or anything along those lines, and would highly recommend choosing this facility, AmeriMed, to have your procedure done.
Can I say one more thing?
Okay. You're not going to get her off now. She's been here all day.
Well, it's just something that I thought was very interesting. That we are going home. We're going home with all of our records.
Yeah.
Not only written records. We're going home with our X-rays. We're going home with prescriptions. We're going home with all of our medical procedure documented. So our doctors at home, when we go to our doctors at home for our follow-up care, will have all of the information that we need or that they need to help us. We have the procedure that was done. We have it all on video, on DVD, and I don't think I'll ever watch that, but probably my husband will. But anyway, but we have all of that information. So it's not like we're coming here, having a procedure done, a major procedure, and then going home empty-handed with just, a few stitches to prove that we were here. No, not at all. We have absolutely all the information that we need for when we get back to the States for our doctors to continue our care when we get home.
I recommend Bariatric of Mexico.
I recommend Bariatric Mexico.
And I absolutely recommend Bariatric Mexico.